Welcome to Lonavala, home to Koshi Dam, Tiger Hills, spectacular waterfalls and lush green landscape. Lonavala is one of the most favored tourist destinations of India. This beautiful hill station lies at a proximity of 68 kilometers from Pune and 90 kilometers from Mumbai. 7 kilometers from here is the spectacular INS Shivaji. Come, let's go there.
Now we'll enter the premises of INS Shivaji and will proceed to the guard room and meet the officer of the day to know his responsibilities and functions.
Good morning, sir. As the officer of the day, what are your responsibilities?
As officer of the day, I am responsible towards the general safety and security of the entire base. So basically, I represent the commanding officer. On behalf of him, I have to take decisions which are necessary towards ensuring safety, security and basic administration of the base.
Parades in defense forces have been a century-old tradition, are conducted on various occasions. In the Navy, we also conduct parades and march past with prides at the drum beats on our Republic Day, Independence Day, annual inspection and whenever the commanding officer desires. Now, see the beautiful parade ground and drill set of INS Shivaji. Now, from the parade ground, let's move to the education block.
Education Department of INS Shivaji looks after the basic training of sailors of Navy and foreign training. It also looks after the Kendriya Vidyalaya, Naval KGs and PRO duties.
From Naval KG, let's move to various training bays and watch how various engineering training are conducted.
So we are having this e-office suite available on the ePehchan website. Okay, this is the computer application center. Here the students and the trainees, they undergo classes on the IT and the computer science as a subject. And generally the trainees have an attachment of 2 weeks here in CAC, and we try to impart the knowledge on the computer hardware, software and networking and database.
This is system engineering and control wing. The main role of this wing is to provide training on basic control systems and system specific control system for all ab initio courses and control technicity.
Good morning. We are at the diesel and gas turbine wing of INS Shivaji. We undertake training on diesel engines and gas turbine. My staff will be explaining about the static components and the working models of diesel engines and the gas turbine engines.
Right now we are in live way of bag wing, diesel and gas turbine wing. We have here total 18 number live DAs which are utilized for power generation as well as for training purpose. Power generation के अलावा DAs पे HOS भी कंडक्ट किया जाता है जो कि ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. Right now they are opening the pump of this engine.
Good morning. This is the static bay of the diesel and gas turbine wing, where we are having various cut section models of the various engines. In these engines, all process used to see the cut section models of the all engines. Like here we are having 500 kilowatt MQDA. Here radial engines. Then again here Cummins VTADA. This one is MTU engines, which we are using in FAC class.
Welcome to System and Auxiliary Wing. Here we train the under-trainee officers and sailors on various auxiliaries which are fitted on board ships apart from your main propulsion, machineries and power generation like AC plant, stabilizer, RO plant, etc. As well as the various systems like freshwater system, fuel system, lube oil system, etc. So let's go ahead.
Good morning. This part of the wing is known as live bay section, sir. Here we train trainees on the various auxiliary equipments. For training, for giving theoretical and practical knowledge, we have 5 live equipments here and equal number of static equipments. So from starting we have a static model of shaft line and its components. Generally this part of the ship remains submerged in the water. So only those crew which are involved in during the refit and dry docking part be able to see these underwater components. But here there is an opportunity to get a detailed view of various shaft line components like propeller, A bracket, P bracket, stunting, etc. and etc. Then we have stabilizer. The sole purpose of stabilizer on board is to give stability for various reasons like gun firing for the comfort of ship's company and to have better platform for hello riding. We have this prototype model of ship. The moment of this model, we can demonstrate to the training the movement of the fin.
This is Center of Excellence Marine Engineering. Our primary mandate is research and development into future technology towards induction of these technologies into Indian Navy.
गुड आफ्टरनून। आप पीसीबी स्कूल की स्टैटिक वे में हैं आज। हमारे पास कुछ इक्विपमेंट्स है यहाँ पे, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये 2 कट सेक्शन है 1241 RE क्लास ऑफ GT के। हमारे राइट साइड में एक कंट्रोलेबल पिच प्रोपेलर का डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर है और कुछ कट सेक्शंस हैं अलग अलग बेयरिंग्स के, जो कि शाफ्टिंग, जहाज की शाफ्टिंग में लगती है। यहाँ पर भी आप एक कट सेक्शन देख सकते हैं, एक मरीन GT SLF क्लास ऑफ शिप की। यहाँ पर एक और कट सेक्शन है, इंडस्ट्रियल मरीन GT है। इसका जो कट सेक्शन है इसमें आप अलग अलग स्टेजेस देख सकते हैं। एक ट्विन स्पूल GT है ये। यहाँ पर आप एक एक्सप्लोडेड व्यू देख सकते हैं GT का, जो कि हमारे अंडर ट्रेनिंग ऑफिसर्स ने बनाया। अब आप देख रहे हैं ओनेगा सिमुलेटर, जो कि पीसीबी स्कूल में इंस्टॉल्ड है। ये तेग और तलवार क्लास के ऑक्सिलरीज और मेजर फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम की ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एक वॉक थ्रू है, 3D वॉक थ्रू इंजन रूम स्पेसेस का। यहाँ पे ट्रेनी जहाज पे जाने से पहले देख सकते हैं कि क्या इक्विपमेंट कहाँ पर फिट है। उसके बाद यहाँ पर जो अभी पैनल देख रहे हैं, इसमें हम सिमुलेट करते हैं इंस्ट्रक्टर स्टेशन से कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स, इंसिडेंट्स और ट्रेनी का रिएक्शन। उसको सिखाया जाता है कि क्या, कैसे और कब ऑपरेट करना है। बाकी आप अपने पीछे जो देख रहे हैं वो एज फिट मॉड्यूल्स है जो जहाज पे फिटेड है। अभी हम NOPV सिमुलेटर कंपार्टमेंट में है। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं जैसा हमारे शिप पे फिट है कंट्रोल सिस्टम मशीनरी का, वैसा ही एक सेटअप यहाँ पे किया गया है। यहाँ पे ट्रेनी को सारे मशीनरी के ऑपरेशन और उसके ब्रेकडाउन के बारे में सिखाया जाता है। यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं एक 1241 RE क्लास ऑफ शिप का MCR कंट्रोल्स का सिमुलेटर है। यहाँ पे कैसे हम GT स्टार्ट करते हैं, शट डाउन करते हैं, उसमें क्या एक्सीडेंट्स या ब्रेकडाउन्स हो सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ट्रेनिंग को हम इस सिमुलेटर पे ट्रेन करते हैं। वेलकम, आप इंजीनियरिंग प्री कमिश्निंग ट्रेनिंग स्कूल में है। यहाँ पर हम किसी भी ऑफिसर या सेलर जो एक नया जहाज ज्वाइन करने वाला है उसके बारे में उनको ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। हमारे पास एक बहुत बड़ी टेक्निकल लाइब्रेरी है यहाँ पे, जिसमें 40,000 से ज्यादा टेक्निकल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं। और INS शिवाजी में कोई भी ट्रेनिंग इक्विपमेंट या कोई भी सिमुलेटर बनाया जाता है या प्रोविजन किया जाता है तो उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन पीसीबी स्कूल करता है। आइए अभी मैं आपको पीसीबी स्कूल दिखाता हूं।
In this INS Shivaji, This section is ITW, and the shop is the machine shop. In this machine shop, we have conduct training for Mac and Agniveer courses.
जय हिंद। आप सभी का वेल्डिंग एंड फैब्रिकेशन शॉप में आपका सभी का स्वागत है। आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे आप राइट हैंड साइड में वेल्डिंग पे हमारा यहाँ पे वेल्डिंग के क्लासेस कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं और ये साइड में फैब्रिकेशन शॉप है। यहाँ पे फैब्रिकेशन से संबंधित क्लासेस किए जाते हैं। यहाँ पर अग्निवीर तथा मैक कोर्सेस हम लोग हमेशा कंडक्ट करते हैं। इसके अलावा CHMEQ, NBCDI के क्लासेस यहाँ पे कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं। यहाँ पे वेल्डिंग बे में हमेशा वेल्डिंग के क्लासेस किए जाते हैं। वेल्डिंग के साथ साथ हम ब्रेजिंग प्रैक्टिस प्लस HOS सारे के सारे ट्रेनिंग्स का हम करवाते हैं। उसके साथ ही फैब्रिकेशन शॉप में अप्रेंटिस क्लास का अटैचमेंट होता है। यहाँ पे हम उनसे ट्रंक इत्यादि प्रकार के जॉब यहाँ पे बनाए जाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon. This is Salim Mahate, foreman. This is Predictive Technology Lab and Systems Bay. Here we we impart training on various courses. Then there are actually systems bay here. Then there are labs in which vibration lab is there, low ball analysis lab, NDT lab, and in systems bay there is a static bay and wall rolling bay.
Revenue organization trainees is an organization which looks after the various aspects of discipline, welfare and conduct of the trainees who join at CMET.
NBCD School: Nuclear, Biological, Chemical and Damage Control. Visualize the activities. INS Shivaji is having a well-equipped library with more than 40,000 books of both technical, fictions, languages, children, both in English and Hindi. Now we are in front of motor transport pool where all the naval vehicles are housed and maintained.
This is INS Shivaji's fire brigade. 3 fire tenders and staff ready to fight fire anytime.
Discipline is the paramount of Indian Navy. Whether you go for sports, or go for classes or come back from classes, always march on.
So how is your experience in INS Shivaji?
Experience in INS Shivaji has been very fruitful and very good.
INHS Kasturi, housed within the naval premises of INS Shivaji, unit-run canteen with full of stuffs to cater the needs of all personnel of INS Shivaji with their families and also the retired defense personnel. Junior Sailors accommodation of INS Shivaji, having its own galley, own bakery, you can enjoy the cakes, and the accommodation Betua of Agniveer. The married sailors are accommodated in the quarters in the base as well as Nausana Back, which is just a kilometer away from the gate. There are two temples where people offer their worships. We are entering the officers' mess, wine and dine for the officers in uniform. Also, there is an annex of the bar and fooding.
I'm from Jammu. Oh, good. How is your experience in Shivaji?
Yes, my first experience in Shivaji is very unmistakable. The food in this area is very like nature. Yes, in everywhere I can see mountains a lot, and every time it's raining, and for me automatic.
How about the training facilities?
Yes, this is my first experience.
INS Shivaji is having an officers institute where parties, marriage and personal functions are being conducted. Also, it is open in the evening for officers and their family for leisure. Enjoy the watermanship and visualize the beautiful Shivaji Lake.
ये WTC शिवाजी का बोट हैंगर है, जो इसमें डिफरेंट टाइप का हमारा बोट और जो सेल है हम लोग यहाँ पर रखते हैं। अब मेंटेनेंस वगैरह करते हैं इधर।
For the banking transactions, there are two ATM counters, one at the officers' mess and other ICICI Bank ATM at the canteen. Enjoy the holiday home facilities of INS Shivaji, lakeside view, mast.
Good morning, I am Lieutenant Commander Deepak Suman. I look after here the physical training aspects of the trainees who come here after their ab initio training in INS Chilka.
stay fit, attend gym. INS Shivaji is having a state-of-the-art indoor as well as outdoor gyms facilities. A weapon is a part and parcel of any defense person. Now visit the rifle firing range and pistol firing range of INS Shivaji.
INS Shivaji, having its own solar panel generating 2 megawatt of power, is self-sufficient to service the entire base. INS Shivaji, having its own rain gauge, measures rainfall round the year.
Outdoor activities are very common and regular to keep our personnel mentally tough, mentally fit and physically fit. Menaka is the picture hall where regularly films are screened and also all the cultural events are held. Now we are entering into the Commanding Officer Secretariat where the entire naval base is controlled by remote control.